Mufasa's death was a terrible tragedy. But to lose Simba, who had barely begun to live, for me, it is a deep, personal loss. So it is with a heavy heart that I seal the throne. Yet out of the ashes of this tragedy, we shall rise to greet the dawning of a new era in which we come together in a great and glorious future.
Prepare the Mega Nixel Mixer! Be brave, my Nixels! Be brave!